Hello, so this is the provider side agent desktop app through which the users can onboard their GPU over to our network so that the client's jobs can be run over their GPU and the provider can earn from it. So they need to register using their email and password. After creating their account, they need to connect their Solana wallet to our platform. So either they can do it in their default browser or they can like copy the link and paste it over the browser where they have their Solana account connected. So here they need to select the wallet, then they will connect it. Then after connecting, they'll sign a message to verify the connection. So after verifying, they will need to return to their desktop app and refresh it, and after refreshing it will show connected. Then they can add their machine. So after adding their machine, they can set their hourly rate. And actually we have a verification logic here, due to which the new onboarded GPU owners will have to put some Solana on stake, so that if they fake anything, they fake the running of a job, then we can find it over from their staked Solana. Because the jobs that is run by the newly onboarded GPU owners is also run by the old GPU owners who have run more number of jobs, and we like compare their hashes or their usage logs from which we verify. So now on another machine, let's go through the client side. So client will need to log in, like register a login through their email and password. So here I registered, then create a new account. Then after creating their account, they will be needed to connect to their Solana wallet similarly. So pressing the connect wallet, yeah, selecting the like Solana wallet, connect, and then after some time the other dialog box, yeah, confirm the message. Then after that they can start deploying the workload. So here I've chosen to deploy a .blend file to render. That is very helpful for the people who animate a lot and do not have the GPU. So here I put some budget and lock the funds and deployed in the escrow. Now these funds will be stored in the escrow. If the job is successful, it will be given to the provider, else it will be returned to the client himself. So here as we can see that it got connected to the Apple M4. This is the previous machine. We can see the job running over here. So after running the job for a certain like long period of time, it will return the output, and after that the client can see all the output files in the job dashboard and download it from over here. So yeah, this is the whole workflow. Thank you.